Okay, here we have the Garmin 4208 GPS charts. This is about a 6-inch color screen here. Our depth sounder is integrated, so it's reading the depth. We're here in the marina. We have this offset for the keel, so we're actually in about 13 or 14 feet of water. When you're underway, it will show your GPS speed, the distance to the next point if you've plotted out your route, your arrival time, how far you are off your set course, all of your GPS headings. The radar is also integrated in. If I choose radar overlay, the radar will overlay. Radar is which will overlay radar onto your charts on the chart plotter. Radar is Garmin radar right up here, and if you look behind, there's also the Garmin XM receiver. The radar pole is actually installed here. This first part of this bar is actually the receiver for a Nova lift, which we have, which we're happy to sell along with the boat. The Nova lift helps you get an outboard onto the boat safely from the water. We haven't used it because we've had the radar pole in here. We just pulled the outboard. We just pulled the outboard off the back of the dinghy from the sugar scoop, which worked fine. But the radar pole is here. If you wanted to, you could have the radar. You could use the Nova lift and have the radar installed on the mast, but it's not currently located. I'm in the aft berth at the foot of the bed. The Garmin network is installed back here. This is the GDS-22. This is the depth sounder receiver. Next here is the GDL-30. This is the weather receiver. And then this is our NMEA 2K network. All of the fuses and the power to go up, down here. This goes in through the cockpit underneath the wheel, and all of the wires attach up at the Garmin. The GPS receiver is also located down here.